Hi friends, Amazon is inviting applications for data associate and Amazon vendor services consultants. So it is inviting applications for these two posts. So before going into details, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also like it, and also please share this video with your friends so it may be helpful to them. So let us go into details. So here the first post is data associate. So the description or role of the this post is means who are applying for this post. So the data associate will process annotation and data analytics tasks with high efficiency and quality in a fast paced environment, deliver on assigned SLA and KPIs like productivity, turnaround time, quality, etc. The tasks will primarily repetitive in nature and will require an individual to make judgment based decisions, keeping in mind the guidelines of provided in the SOP. Contribute in team initiative to improve overall process efficiency and quality. So overally, with the name of the post, there is data associate. We have to analyze the data, and you have to analyze that, and you have to provide solution, and you have to report to the higher authorities. So this is the overall description of the this post. And if you see the basic qualifications, a bachelor's degree with 0 to 1 year relevant work experience, means any degree, any stream. So if you have experience or you are fresher, you can apply. And excellent communication, that is written and oral skills in especially in English and Hindi language is a plus point. And a strong analytical problem solving and logical reasoning skills, excellent MS Office skills with MS Excel especially, comfort working in a fast-paced, highly collaborative and dynamic work environment. And is asking preferred qualifications, business analytics experience. And if you see the second post details, and here the role of this post means applying for this post is facilitating relationships with external business partners, understanding their basic goals, drivers and matrices, dividing deep into vendor issues, gathering, analyzing and sharing data to help push data driven business decisions, participating in the coordination of new vendors onboarding, contributing to set expectations and facilitating discussion using a present agenda. So like this some points are given. So with this name itself you can understand that Amazon vendors service consultant means you have to in between you have to give the solutions between vendors and the higher authorities in the Amazon, and that should be problem solving, and any queries and problem with there with vendor sides means you have to discuss and you have to solve, and you have to escalate to the higher authorities. And here the basic qualifications: bachelor's degree or equivalent business school degree. So any bachelor's degree is asking an excellent written and verbal communication with proficiency in English. The same the previous post and this post having the same thing, bachelor's degree and also excellent communication in English in written and verbal. You must be able to act with professional integrity, working positively, quickly and effectively with a variety of personalities and work styles. So like this some skills are given, and also same MS Office, should be thorough with MS Office, and also a track record of catalog and or project management experience, knowledge of SQL, XML, HTML and VBA is a preferred skills here, and same thing preferred qualification also same thing given. So please like and share it with your friends and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.